folks, this is Nessa from Infinitely Zeros channel. Today is Thursday, January 25th, 2024, and I just wanted to share with you guys real quick some of the yarn that I recently bought from another sale that Lionbrands had on their Schitts Creek Yarn. I think they're actually discontinuing the yarn, and it was priced at 6 for $12. It was $2 a skein. I know it's really hard for me. I have like not much self-control when it comes to buying yarn, especially when it's at a good sale price. My friend Michi over at Michi's Crochet Nook, check out her channel. She sort of talked me into it. Hopefully, Michi, you got your order. And yeah, I know she hadn't gotten it as of this weekend. I know I got mine on Tuesday. Through this order, though, it looks like there was 2 skeins missing of the Rosebud Motel, so I contacted Lionbrands customer service, and they went ahead and gave me a refund for the 2 missing skeins. So the reason it's labeled Schitts Creek Motel is because it was kind of going after the TV series show. I've gone over this yarn before. It's nice and soft. It's kind of like a little bit on the thinner side of a worseted 4. It's 7 ounces or 200 grams, 100% acrylic, 372 yards or 340 meters, machine wash, gentle cycle, tumble dry. And they recommend using a size 8 or 5 millimeter knitting needles and a H8 5 millimeter crochet hook. And this is the color Rosebud Motel. That's the one I was talking about. I also ordered this one. This is the Finding David color, which is in a dark gray. I only got like 1 or 2 of this one. It's actually a lot prettier than I thought it would be. It's called Bebe Blue. I think this would be beautiful for like a baby blanket. I kind of regret not ordering more of this color. And I also only got 1 of these. I thought this would be brighter. It's a little paler in color. It's showing a little brighter in the video. It's called Fold in the Cheese. It's their yellow for it. This beautiful green is Cafe Tropical. I also ordered more of the Shared the Wall, which is like a really pretty turquoise color. I got some in this brown, which is boho brown colorway. Some more in the kind of heathered gray color, which is, I think it's called, yeah, Johnny Suit Gray. Really pretty. I love grays. And then, whoops, sorry, didn't mean to drop the camera. I was almost done. And then some of this, which is called the Premier, the color. So it's like a beigey tan kind of color. And that's it. That's all I have to show. I've been really working hard. I finished the sweater that I was putting together that I tested. It's called the Berry Pullover. The pattern has not yet been released by the designer, so I can't show it yet. I'm working on a long, bulky cardigan, testing that for her, and I've ran into some issues with the sleeves. I joined them the wrong way. I didn't follow the pattern correctly. So I'm kind of working on that, fixing the sleeves, and I got to join them and do the edging, and then that'll be done, and then I can show it once she releases the pattern. And then I have 1 more sweater to test with her, for her, which is one done in Tunisian crochet with that cool fuzzy kind of furry funky yarn that I showed in a previous video of mine. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show for today. Nice, quick, sweet, and simple. And if you like the content of my channel, thanks for watching, and please click like and subscribe if you haven't to the channel. And yeah, have a great night. Thanks. Bye.